Unleash the ultimate XP farm by mastering the hunt for Minecraft's elusive mob spawners. The most reliable way to find mob spawners is by exploring naturally generated structures, with dungeons being your prime target. Keep an eye out for abandoned mineshafts. These sprawling underground complexes often house both zombie and spider spawners, sometimes even in close proximity. And don't forget about strongholds. These massive fortresses are guaranteed dungeons and often contain multiple spawners, perfect for setting up large-scale farms. Beyond visual cues, your ears are your best friend. Listen closely for the telltale sounds of mobs while you're a distant zombie groan, the skittering of spiders, or the rattle of skeletons. When you locate a spawner, whether it's a zombie, skeleton, spider, or even a cave spider, immediately surround it with torches. This prevents mobs from spawning while you carefully mine it, ensuring you can relocate it later. By locating and utilizing these spawners, you're not just finding blocks, you're unlocking the secret to creating incredibly efficient experience farms, powering up your survival journey and your enchantments like never before.